All right, everybody, I want to show you something cool here, some of you don't know about. So in your contact manager, one of the things that you'll see is when you click on a contact, it'll say source unknown, but then it will tell you what the lander page is, okay? What lander page it came in, but source unknown. And a lot of people are like, well, what does that mean? I do not get it. Well, check this out. Let's say you're going to advertise exclusively on Facebook and you want to know how your ad's doing. You can go like this, okay? So let's say you grab this link here. I'm just not grabbing any link. Okay, here's your link right here, but you could add something to the end of it, okay? Which is question mark SRC, which stands for source equals Facebook. Or you could change it maybe to FB groups if you wanted to, okay? Then you would grab this whole thing and turn it into a teeny URL. So what would happen is when you go back to your landing page or your contact manager, if they came off of a Facebook group, under where it says source, it would say FB groups or Facebook or YouTube or Twitter. So let's say you wanted to see how Twitter was doing for you. So you would go back to your pages, okay, and you would click on, you know, whatever your link was, and then you would add the code question mark SRC equals and maybe Twitter. And then what you could do to change this into a teeny URL, you would just copy the link, or you could click copy to clipboard, go over to your teeny URL system, click add the whole thing with that code in the back. Hit save, back, and then you hit get link, and it gives you, you know, a URL that you can go out there and advertise. But you could do that, and with that source code, you could write whatever you want. Okay, you don't have to write Twitter or Facebook. You could write Cookie Monster if you want, as long as you know what that means. Then that's really cool. And so you could do that every time you advertise. Now, it doesn't make sense if you're going to go advertise everywhere. Okay, let's say you're going to try a safe list. Okay, most people know I don't have a love for safe list, but oops. But let's say you were going to do that. Okay, so you could again hit get link, and or let's say you're going to do some sort of solo ad. You know, you could do maybe paste. Whoop, I didn't want to do that. So it's question mark SRC equal maybe Safe Solos is the name of the solo ad company. I don't know what it would be called. And then you can do this. And then you could actually go back again to your lead and see how many actual leads came off this list. The power of doing this source code is to see how good an advertising source actually does. If you're posting your link all over with a source code, you're not really going to get accurate advice because let's say you posted this on Facebook. Well, it still shows source Safe Solos, even if you post it on Facebook, because it tracks the link. It doesn't track what you write. So understand that. So it's good if you're testing one source and you're putting a link on one place and you really want to know if the leads are coming in from that source. You can do that and it will show up in your leads. Pretty cool, right?